2 more videos, and I am going to be doing number 13 and then the last one, which looks like 13 and 20 would be the most challenging on this side. Simplifying both sides of the inequality is the first step. And we can notice here, we should notice that we can combine like terms on the left. We can distribute on the right. And remember, well, I'll get to that. 2b and 4b is 6b. Negative 4 and positive 1 is negative 3. So the left side simplifies pretty easily. Distributing the negative 3 on the right, we get negative 3b plus 12. And then over here, I said I'd get back to this. When we have a minus sign instead of a set of parentheses, we want to think about that as a negative 1. And we distribute the negative 1 to both terms. So negative 1 times 4b is negative 4b. Negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2. Combining the like terms on the right, we have variable terms. Negative 3b and negative 4b is negative 7b. 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Alright, so the left side and the right side have both been simplified. We will move the variable terms to the left. We'll move the number terms to the right. We get 13b on the left, and we get less than or equal to. Still, we haven't multiplied or divided by a negative number, so that inequality symbol stays in the same direction. 10 plus 3 is 13. Oh, nice. So if we divide both sides by 13, we get b less than or equal to 1. There you go. Okay. Last video, number 20. It's probably the most challenging. No, it's not. Let's do number 18. It's got a little bit more to it. So with number 18, we're going to go ahead and distribute the negative 4. On the left-hand side, we get 44. On the right-hand side, negative 4 times negative 8/3 b. So negative times a negative is a positive. 32 over 3b, and then minus 4. So this is where we want to multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator, 3. 3 times 44, okay, so that's 132. 3's cancel here, so we get 32b. 32b, and then 3 times 4 is 12. If we add 12 to both sides, we get 144, greater than symbol, still stays there. 18, let's see here, hold on a second. Okay, so we get 144 is greater than 32b. If we divide both sides by 32 to get the b by itself, let's think about this for a second. 32 doesn't go into 144 because 32 times 2 is 64. Yeah, it doesn't go into it, but what does go into 16 times 9 is 144. And if you just keep dividing by 2, so let's think about that. If we keep dividing by 2, 144, 72, 36, 18, and 9. So if we keep dividing by 2, that's dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos is 16. And so 16 times 9 is 144. 16 times 2 is 32. So we get b is less than, so if we think about this, b is less than 9/2, so let's write it like that. b is less than 9/2, and 9/2 is 4.5, 4.5, and so we're going to put that right there, 9/2, and b is less than, so we use open circle, and we shade to the left. I will leave the check to you.